Maximizing the 2024 bull run is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys will be able to maximize your 2024 crypto bull run. So for that, you need to follow or look at these instructions. So the first thing is research and invest in promising projects. Don't just invest on anything that you think is good. Just do your proper research and then afterwards believe on your guts and invest in projects. Time your entries and exits strategically. Just use strategies, create strategies if you don't have one. Do your due diligence to get the right entry and exit times. Use leverage cautiously for amplified gains. Stay updated on the market trends and news, which means don't just back out or don't just have misinformation. Just stay updated. Diversify your portfolio, which means spread your investment, actively manage your portfolio, keep on updating the your portfolio, manage it by yourself, implement robust risk management strategies, consider a long-term investment and seek professional advice when needed. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.